Introducing the Sunveno Baby Carrier, your ultimate partner in parenthood. Sunveno all-in-one baby carrier combines functionality and comfort, allowing you to bond with your baby while staying active and free from physical strain. It comes with one baby carrier, one extended waist cushion, one carrier drool cotton pad. Made with premium, breathable materials, it ensures maximum comfort for your little one while providing the ergonomic support they need to grow. Equipped with a supportive waist belt, designed with your comfort in mind, Carrier helps distribute your baby's weight evenly, reducing strain on your shoulders and back. This is especially helpful during extended wear, allowing you to comfortably carry your baby for longer periods. This carrier is designed for moms and dads. Stylish, practical, and built for all-day use, it's perfect for hands-free bonding whether you're on the go or enjoying quiet moments at home.